There's something magical about classic cars, whether it's their timeless design, the purr of a well-maintained engine, or the stories they tell. Classic cars encapsulate enthusiasts throughout the world. Hey everybody, and welcome to another episode of RC Classic Garage. Today we're going to be diving into a fascinating debate within the classic car community of unrestored and original versus a fully restored classic car. I'm fortunate enough to own a collection of classic cars, and my collection includes unrestored and original cars, fully restored cars, and I have cars currently going through a nut and bolt rebuild. So we'll be using these two examples from my collection. We have my 1968 unrestored and original E-Type Jaguar and my 1968 fully restored Fiat 500. First up, we have this unrestored and original beautiful E-Type Jaguar. This car has survived the test of time. It is almost 60 years old, and it has mostly original parts, its original interior, and it has a history you can see and touch. Look at the patina on this chrome work and on its original interior. It's like a time capsule, and every scratch, pit, and wear mark has a story to tell. And besides it, we have my fully restored Fiat 500, also almost 60 years old. But this car has been meticulously brought back to its former glory with painstaking attention to detail. Its paint is flawless on top and under this car. The interior is brand new, and under the bonnet and hood everything has been restored. But let's take a much closer look at the advantages of each type of car. There's something incredibly authentic about an unrestored car. It's a direct link to the past, and it just shows how a car has aged naturally over the years. This natural wear and patina of an original car can add character and tell a story that a restored car lacks. Many enthusiasts appreciate the beauty of a car that has aged gracefully, and it becomes highly valued by purists and collectors. And driving an unrestored car is really like stepping back in time. You get to experience all the quirks and features that you just don't get in a modern car or restored car. You know, and stepping into a car like this, you do feel like you're stepping into a time capsule from the last 60 years, with preserving all of its historical significance, and you just feel like you're driving something of a bygone era. And also, a car's history and provenance can be more verifiable if it remains in its original state, which can also add to its desirability and value. But original unrestored cars are becoming increasingly rare, making them highly sought after with collectors who value authenticity. A restored car, on the other hand, offers a different kind of appeal. It's about bringing the car back to its original showroom condition, or sometimes something even better. Restored cars often look and feel like they did when they were new. Fresh paint, fresh upholstery, new mechanical components. Mechanical restorations can make the car more reliable, and a fully restored car is often ready to jump in, start up, and drive off immediately. Restored cars are also easier to maintain. Many of their parts, like wiring systems and all the mechanical parts, have been renewed or replaced. High quality restorations can also meet concours standards, making the car eligible for prestigious shows and competitions, which do attract some type of buyers. And then driving a restored car is a little bit like the best of both worlds. You're getting the classic design, but with a better reliability and better performance. So for instance, this car has been upgraded with a synchromesh gearbox, which actually makes gear changes a pleasure. Restored cars can attract a wider market, including buyers who want the classic car experience without the hassle of restoration or constant maintenance. And high quality restorations can increase the value of a car, particularly if the work was well documented and performed by reputable specialists. I personally love unrestored cars and original cars because they're authentic and you can feel and touch their history in every detail. I've only fully restored a car in the past where the original car that I started with was just too far gone in order to be kept original and in its state. So the only way was to totally strip it and give a nut and bolt rebuild. But there's definitely a place for a restored car and unrestored cars, I think, in everybody's collection. They offer things that are very different. In our restored car, some people feel there's a way to go. It offers you peace of mind, it's more reliable, it's been upgraded and brought back into its current, sometimes better than original state. So which car is better? Well, actually it all depends what you're looking for in a classic car. Some like original and unrestored cars, others prefer perfection. Depends on what you're looking for. Thanks again for watching. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and please leave a comment telling me what you prefer, an unrestored car or restored car, whichever is your preference. Thanks again, see you all next time.